In this video, I'm going to show how you can use delete commands in MongoDB. This is a continuation from my two earlier videos on MongoDB. So in order for us to get started, you need to start your MongoDB shell. Alright, so when you have that cursor blinking at you, it means that you're already in the Mongo shell and you're ready to go. Okay, so previously I have created a database called Dominoes, so I'm going to use that database. Okay, and in this database I have a single collection called customers. Alright, so I want to see what are the documents that I have created, okay, in customers collection. So I have one document, okay, containing the name John Doe, okay, in my customers collections. So for me to do a delete, I'm going to add two more customers document, okay. So I'm going to use the insert. The insert command. Okay, so n inserted means the number of inserted records, which is 1. So I'm going to add another one. Okay, this time it's John Smith. Alright, and for me to see what I have, what documents I have in my collection, I can use the find command. And then we have, okay, 3 documents of John with different last names. Okay, so let's say we want to delete the first John that is available in this collection. So what we can do is to use the remove command. Okay, here we have to specify the specific document, but instead we use this command just one true, because we want to remove the first document that has the name John. Okay, so n removed is 1, which means it's successful. And when we do a find, we see that the first John, which is John Doe, has been removed from our collection. Alright, the next kind of remove that you can do is, let's say you want to remove everything. Okay, every document which has John in it. So to make this realistic, okay, I'm just going to insert a different document with a different name. Instead of John, I'm going to use Tom. Okay, let me create a document for Tom Thumb. Yeah. And so when we do a find, we have 3 documents there, 2 Johns and 1 Tom. Alright, if we want to remove, okay, all of Johns in this collection, what we do is we still use the remove command. And here, instead of having just 1 equals to true, we remove this entirely and leave only first name equals to John. Okay, so we see that the number of removed documents are 2, and when we use the find command, we see only Tom Thumb document is left. So that's it, okay, for removing, for deleting delete commands. So hope you have found it to be useful, and do give a like, okay, if you find this video to be beneficial. Have a good day. Bye bye.